Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Gusto account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in gusto.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Gusto. Over here you'll be able to find the option for create free account, so simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. You can see over here you can either sign up with Google or you can simply sign up by providing the informations. If you want to sign up with Google, simply click on the option sign up with Google. Otherwise, simply enter the informations over here. First of all, enter your first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now what you have to do is enter your work email over here. Likewise, enter the company name over here. Now enter the number of employees. Enter the company phone. Now create a password for yourself. While creating a password, you need to use 8 or more characters. You need to use a minimum of 1 letter and minimum of 1 number. So create the password accordingly. Now confirm the password. Now after providing all the information, click on this option create account that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is check your email. A link will be sent to your email address. What you have to do is click on that link and your email will be verified. For that, what you have to do is simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Gusto has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in that email you'll be able to find the link to verify your email address. Simply click on this option verify your email. Now after the email has been verified, you can see over here your Gusto account will be created. You can go ahead and create your company profile now. So that is how you create Gusto account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.